Greetings everyone, I'm the Thrival nurse. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're in nursing school or you're about to start nursing school, then you've come to the right place. You're gonna find out real quick that I love nursing, I love teaching, and I love helping students succeed. I don't want you to just survive in nursing school, I want you to thrive in nursing school. And I'm here to help you do exactly that. First off, I wanna say way to go. You're probably thinking, wait, what? I haven't done anything. Well, guess what? You have. You're here. That's an accomplishment in itself. I can tell you with full confidence that you are already doing way more than most nursing students. You're seeking outside help, you're motivated, you're open to learn, and to me, that already shows a lot of character. So way to go. Now, what's the difference between surviving and thriving? To survive means to remain alive, to exist, and basically not to die. To survive is to do the very least that you can just to get by. Surviving is not succeeding, it is not growing. Surviving keeps you stagnant, limited, and exhausted. Surviving does not give you the fullness of life experience. On the other hand, to thrive means to live, prosper, and flourish. It means to grow and develop vigorously. Now you might be wondering, why take advice from someone like me? Great question. My name is Thrival, and I've been a registered nurse for more than 20 years. I have a master's degree in nursing education. I've taught multiple levels of nursing students, from licensed vocational nurses to associate degree to bachelor degree and to entry-level master's nursing. I've taught thousands of nursing students over the years, so I've seen plenty of students who have just gotten by and some who have absolutely thrived. And let me tell you, there's a stark contrast. Students who survive nursing school are less motivated, less happy with their experience, and they view their education as a chore. But students who thrive in nursing school stay uplifted and encouraged, even through those difficult moments. They have a vision and they chase after it with passion and vigor. They view their education as a learning experience, an opportunity to grow, and preparation for their career. I want you to be the type of student who thrives, no matter what your background is, regardless of your personality type or what your circumstances are right now. I believe you can thrive in nursing school. You just have to be willing to put in the work. Every nursing student has a heartbeat. Granted, everyone enrolled in nursing school is alive, but do you have the heart, not just a heartbeat? Do you have the heart to pursue nursing with excellence? Do you have the heart to steward your education well? Do you have the heart to serve your future patients well? If you answered yes to those questions, then you are in the right place. My hope is that through these videos, you'll find this channel helpful, encouraging, and valuable throughout your entire time in nursing school. We'll cover topics like getting organized, how to prepare for labs, clinicals, exams, how to balance your life, mental health, what to do when you're struggling, how to turn in your assignments, and so much more. I'm extremely excited to start the journey with you. I want you to succeed, and I'm here to help guide you. Think of me as your coach, your mentor, and your biggest cheerleader. Not only do I want you to survive in nursing school, but I want you to thrive in nursing school. So make sure to like, subscribe, comment, and turn on post notifications. And I'll see you in the next video. Keep on thriving!